If you want to earn an extra income just by chatting with people, yes, just chat with them. They can call you as well. They can do a video call with you or an audio call with you, and you sell photos to them. They will click it and it will add to your wallet. That is all you are going to be doing in this application. You sell your photo, sell your videos, and you can also earn through calls. If they don't want to call you, or maybe you're hiding yourself, you don't want them to see you, you don't want them to see your face, or maybe you're the shy type, no problems. What you do is to send a picture to them, to send a video to them. Once you send the video, the application gives you an option to set a price. You can set like 50 coins, 100 coins, 1000 coins, depending on how much you want to sell the photo or video. Once you set the price, then you send it to them. You can also send it along with a very naughty message. Send it along with them. Then they will open it. Once they open the account, the image that you sent to them, you are going to get an income, and it will be sent directly to your wallet. And the minimum withdrawal for this is $30, which is 30,000 points, the earning point. So your point will be converted to dollar, which is $30 for 30 points. What are you waiting for? The link is in the comment section. Click on it. Don't go to Play Store and be searching for the name. Use my link to download it. Download it and register. Set up your profile. Set your profile up. Don't just register and you're expecting them to be calling you. No. Set up your profile and upload beautiful, sexy pictures. Not just anyhow pictures. Let your pictures look attractive. Once your picture looks attractive, then you will now come to your home page. This is the home page. Just click on the button of the screen. You see discover. Click on discover and you see people from around the world that you need to chat with. Anybody that you feel like sending a message to, you send them a message. Then over here, scroll, think of who you know that you feel like chatting with. Click on their profile. Let's see this person. Once you click on their profile, it will show you here. This person is from South Africa. Then if you want to send a message to them, click on this message icon. Then you send them a message. Let me send a message that I've already copied. Something naughty. Don't just send anyhow messages, but you can actually say hi to them. You send a message. Oh, this one has been sent. So now to see your wallet, this is your wallet. This place that is written 70, that is your earning. That is where you see your earning. And decide to call the same person. This call icon, this video call icon over here, you click on it and call the person. Let me try. The $20 that they requested for, it will not be charged from your own account. It will be this person's account that the charges will be deducted from, not your own account. So on your own side, once they deduct from him, it will be added to your own. Since you're a female, if you're making a call, even if you're the one initiating that call, the call will be added to your own wallet, not to the person's wallet. So it's the person that they will deduct from and add it to your own wallet. Don't be afraid. You can initiate the call, but they won't charge you for it. It will only add to your wallet. They will charge it from the person, even if you are the one that called the person. Let's click on cancel. Then you go down. The same thing. Anybody, you can send as many messages as you can. Please don't just send to one person and you're expecting a result. No, send to many people, 20 people, 40 people, 50 people in a day. Yes, it's possible. Send to many people. As you're sending to them, you're also sending. Let me give you an example. Let's send a message to this person. Once you click on the message, this is how you can now send. No. This is how to send a message and a picture. So let's send it along with a message. Let me not just send a picture alone. Copy, and then let's send a picture. You click, let me repeat it again. You click on this plus icon beside this message box. Before you type this plus icon, click on it. Then you see an option. If you want to send it immediately, snap yourself and say click on camera. If you want to send the one that is already in your gallery, in your phone, click on gallery. If you want to send the recording of yourself direct, click on record. And then if it's a video that you want to send, click on this video. This is another way of boosting your account to get your earning fast. So this one is boost your feature account. If you want your account to be featured in the first page of the home screen, receive super tips, deep content watermarking, like everything you have is all yours, customized all for you, and you'll be getting more replies, like extra faster replies. Not that if you don't do it that your account will not be featured or not. What? No, this one will just be an addition to what you already have. So stick around to this video, watch this video to the end, because if you don't watch it finished, I don't want to come and be seeing comments of questions of what I've already said here. So for you to understand how it works, watch the video to the end. It will really help you a lot when you register. So follow the instructions I'm giving to you now. Do what I say. Do what I say. Don't go and be doing another thing. And another thing is, don't go direct to Play Store and download the app. Please use the link I sent to you. They are host link. They are not just random link. You need to use it, because if you go to Play Store to download it, you might not get this earning account. So it might just be a normal account. So take note. Now this one, let's keep it. Now previously we were talking about how to upload your picture and video to a user for you to get income if they open it. Let's continue that one. So let's use another person as an example. This time we are sending a video. This is a picture I've already uploaded to this person, and the price I kept for them is 50 coins. So now you click on the plus icon. This time around we are sending a video to the person. You click on video, so it will take you directly to all the videos you have here. Then you click on send. This is the price you have to add. Where you click on the price, delete this 0, and then think of the amount you know that it's okay for you to receive. Maybe let's say 50 coins. Then you click on send. It will send to the person directly. I can't wait for it to load. It's about to load. So this is how you are going to be sending messages for everyone. Make sure that you send like up to 50 messages to everybody, 50 messages in a day, and spend a lot of time online. If you don't spend more time online, you won't be getting good results. Like, you won't be cashing out quickly. You might be here in a month, you won't cash out. So what they need is your time and your data, your internet. That is all. Once you click on the application, you don't even need to stream. You're not doing any matching. It's just a chat app. If there are new people in the application, you will see a notice. You get notified about someone that just started the application. What you have to do is click on the notification and click on the person's profile and send them a message. That is how it works, and that is how you are going to be earning fast. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and comment. Share this video so that other people will benefit from it, and the link is pinned in the description box and in the comment section.